Welcome back, basketball fans. It's time for your nightly dose of jaw-dropping, gravity-defying, and heart-stopping NBA action. These are the top 10 plays of the night for November 12, 2024. Let's jump right into the countdown. Starting us off at number 10, we have player from the team name. Watch as he described the play, like drives through the lane for a thunderous dunk over two defenders. You just can't teach that kind of intensity. At number 9, it's player with the unbelievable crossover, shaking his defender before sinking a sweet step back three. Talk about ice in his veins. Coming in at 8, player is dishing it out. This assist from beyond half-court lands perfectly in teammates' name's hands for an easy bucket. They make it look so effortless. Lucky number 7 is all about defense. Player with the monstrous rejection sending that shot right into the third row. Don't bring that weak stuff in here. At number 6, player takes flight. Check out this coast-to-coast drive ending with a high-flying slam. He's playing above the rim tonight. Halfway through at number 5, we have player with the buzzer beater. Down to the wire, he pulls up and drains it from deep. Nothing but net, and the crowd goes wild. Number 4, and this is an instant highlight reel moment. Player with the alley-oop pass to teammates name who brings down the house with that monster dunk. These guys are in perfect sync. Coming in at number 3, player is giving us some serious handles. Watch as he fakes, spins, and lays it up with a smooth finish. He left his defender glued to the floor. At number 2, we've got a fast break play that's just beautiful basketball. Player with a no-look pass and teammates throws it down with authority. That's pure teamwork right there. And the top play of the night, number 1, goes to player. Watch as he described the play, such as delivers an insane 360 dunk in transition, or pulls off a game-winning shot at the buzzer from half-court. Unbelievable. That's the kind of play you'll be talking about all week. And that wraps up our countdown for tonight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for your daily top NBA highlights. Which play was your favorite? Let us know down in the comments, and we'll see you next time for more amazing hoops action.